Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to post house for rent on Facebook Marketplace. Looking to post your house for rent on Facebook Marketplace? Here is a quick and easy guide. First, open your Facebook app, head to the Marketplace tab, tap on Sell, then scroll down and select Property for Sale or Rent. Next, choose Property for Rent as your category since you're listing a rental. Now fill in your location title and price. You can also choose to hide the price if you'd like the potential renters to message you for details. Add a detailed description about your property, like the number of rooms, amenities, or nearby landmarks. Don't forget to upload clear photos of the interior and exterior. Great visuals make a big difference. Once you've entered all the details, tap Next, review your post, and hit Publish in the bottom right corner. That's it. Your rental listing is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to reach interested renters in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.